for stopping to watch this video. The blessings of God will locate you this week. If you believe in this prayer, comment Amen. Welcome back. My name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here on this channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, you're highly welcome. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give my video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay. In this video, I want to share with you guys how to cure poison. Okay. If you have stepped on poison and your body parts, maybe your leg or your hand, keep swelling or keep expanding, you have gone to hospital for treatment, you have done a lot of things for you to be well, but yet nothing is working out. I want to share with you what you can use to treat that poison. And I want you to know that some poison are spiritual. Okay, you will go to the hospital, take test, they will conduct a test on you, and the doctor will not be able to find anything. Yes, that is a spiritual poison, spiritual illness. Okay, I want to share with you guys how you can treat or cure poison. Okay, so make sure you're listening to this teaching to the end, and make sure you subscribe if you are new, and make sure you like this video if you like what I'm doing. Okay, so for you to treat this poison, for you to cure this poison, you need to get these two items I will show you. Okay, make sure you have them for you to cure this poison. If you have gone to hospital to cure this poison and no positive results came out, nothing is working, do this spiritual assignment. Okay, get this spiritual sand. Okay, get this spiritual sand and get one native egg. Okay, don't use English egg, get a native egg. Okay, there is a reason for that. Okay, now before you start treating yourself, you need to take this native egg to cleanse the whole of your body, like touch the whole of your body, and speak that whoever that is responsible for this sickness, being it spirit, being it man, destroying it today. Okay, after saying that, touch the egg on your legs, that place that is swollen, touch that egg on that particular area of your body that is swollen. Okay, after touching it there, go and break the egg. Okay, break the egg outside your house with your left hand. Don't use your right hand, use your left hand to break that egg. Okay, now get a water. Okay, on a little container. Get a water on a little container. Take the sand and soak inside that little container. Okay, and be rubbing this sand morning and night. Okay, on that particular area of your body that is swollen. Be rubbing it morning and night. Okay, once you are rubbing this sand, that mixture, morning and night, that particular part of your body that is swollen will come down. Okay, you will start getting healing. Okay, you will start getting healing. Okay, even if it is a spiritual sickness, spiritual poison, your healing will come once you are doing this. Okay, so make sure you practice this. Okay, for you to cure that poison. Okay, if you have stepped on poison and any part of your body is swollen, this is what you need to do to be free to cure yourself from that poison. Okay, if you have any question you want to ask regarding this particular video, use the comment section. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Okay, in this channel I'll be teaching a lot of things that will help you come out of evil captivities. Okay, anything that the evil ones are doing to destroy your life, by the special grace of God and by the wisdom he has given to me, I'll be teaching you so that you will not die in that problem. You will not be a victim of their evil art. Okay, so make sure you subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.